Congratulations, it's a celebration. Party all day, I know you've been away.
Hey friends, how is it going? My name is MZF. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you my PC that I built a week ago, or should I call it the wall saver. It cost me around $100 in total, $100 US in total. It have a GTX 560 Ti, which cost me $20 from Letgo, and a Kingston SSD with 240GB of storage, which cost me around $32 from Amazon. The PC is a HP Pavilion Allied 100M, which cost me $50. It got a keyboard and monitor included. I found out that this PC is pretty good for its value, for its price. So let's find out, shall we? And as always, don't forget to subscribe below, and the link in the description, the spec in the description if you want to see on details specific with numbers. Alright, so let's get started, shall we? Yeah, so for me, I think the PC is worth it as it is the first PC of mine. Yeah, that's my first PC. Usually I use a laptop, which is not upgradable for me. Like, there's only RAM that I can upgrade. So hit the like button if you want me to do another tech review. As always, see you on next video. Goodbye. And play the outro, please.